Antutu. Antutu. Ay, mama! Mama, wag po! Mag-i-intro pa ba ako dito? Mag-i-intro pa ba ako sa Schoolboy Runaway na 30 minutes ko lang lalaruin? Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na nakaharang ang aking facecam. Schoolboy Runaway. So, hindi ko alam kung
Holy moly! Look
kung
at all this
horror or
snow!
hindi. Ano ba talaga, chat? Kasi magaling ako. Extreme. Oh, extreme. Extreme tayo, syempre. Isa akong expert eh. Kaya extreme tayo.
Let's go!
Okay. Uy, ano nilalaro niya? Ay, naglalaro siya horror game, oh.
Mom, can I go play? My friend is here.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, all done.
Then show me your class journal. Wait, what's that?
Ay, naku,
Nap?
baksak ka.
Teacher's note? Misbehaved in class? Was
Ay, naku,
goofing off?
baksak.
And yet you want to play outside? You should be ashamed! Go study! No going out for you! He's grounded today! And watch out! If I see you slicking around, I'll rough you up real good!
Ha? Ha? Ano?
I need to find a way to
Ah,
sneak out of
okay.
the house.
Tatakas ako. Kasi isa akong makulit na bata. Ano to? Rubik's Cube. Ah? Wow.
Wrong way again!
May number 4. Ha, para saan to? Dito na lang, bintana. Takas agad yan, oh. Buksan mo lang yan, eh. Nanan. Ay, mama!
Got anyone from an ad or something?
Ano pa ba gagawin? May hint ako, oh, 3 beses. H to hint. Pero hindi ko gagamitin yan. Ay, ano yun? This washing powder.
Come on!
Ano gagawin ko? O, kuha lang bulb. Ha? Hindi ba sa main door? Takas na agad? Pwede na yun.
Darn it! The front door
Alak.
is locked, and Mom probably has the key.
Wow, hindi siya nagka-crouch. Para saan yung crouch? Oh, usod.
Who passes like that anyway?
Maybe I should try to get out through the kitchen window.
Kitchen window. Hello po.
I just need to create a reason for Mom to open it herself.
Oh, sa kitchen window ako lalabas. What's this?
Oh dear. I'll need a special grease remover here.
Grease remover. Ba't ang daming gagawin?
This is just embarrassing!
If I turn the
What a-
exhaust
the
hood
Christmas
off.
Teka, balik
tree.
muna ako dito. Aral muna. Aral, oh.
Well,
Oh, well.
door was closed!
Ha? Ah! Ay, wala po ako ginawa! Ano yan?
Take the broom and go sweep the snow!
Anong ginawa ko? Ha? Anong ginawa ko doon? Ba't ako sinampal? Pasing kita nito eh. Walis ako snow. Nalabas na.
Well, at least you can do something! Now get
Mama!
to your books!
Mama, pabayaan mo na lang ako magwalis, pwede ba? Nakaka-urat eh. Para saan ba yung crouch? Ba't sinasabi nyong... Ma!
Huh?
Ay, mama ka! Ay, papa ka! Hala ka!
Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
Naglinis pa ako ng lapag. Ano ba kasi gagawin ko? No! Kasi magaling ako. Extreme. Wala pa akong progress!
Be thorough, don't slack off.
Wala pa akong progress! Wala pa. Mama naman eh. Para hindi rin nag-footstep ko. Okay. Okay na to. Ano pa? Saan pa?
Good job. Go to your room. I'll come check on you later.
And there is another
Crouch para hindi
minute.
marinig footstep. Okay, copy. May mabait na bata to si Day. Di tumatakas. Nung tumatakas kasi ako kabataan ko, tanghaling tapat tulog yung magulang ko. Madali lang yun. Pagkatanghaling tapat.
Come on, go, 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 go!
So, yung mga pinto, nalalaman nila pagka iniwan kong bukas? Pero saan to? Lock with key. Ito, so yung mga ganito, kunwari ito, sasarado ko din to. Extreme, naka-normal lang ako. Pinalitan ko kanina.
Terrible shit. Just terrible.
Ay, ano ba to? Nakabukas to. Ay, sarado nga pala to. Oh, map. Anong gagawin ko dito?
Oh, terrible.
Anong gagawin ko? May washing powder ako. Ay, mama! Mama, wag po! Aray ko po!
How you completely
Yari!
stupid?
Wala na, tatlo lang yun! Ay, bugbog!
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Pwede po pala interact to. Dito muna ako sa kwarto ko. Ito, bag. Computer! Mag-computer ka na lang, hindi yung... Pwede naman mag-computer na lang eh. Sabihin mo, Mama, nag-online class ako, tapos altab-altab lang, Andrew. Anong password nito? Oh. Hint. Year, Andrew. Year of birth. Andrew. Andrew. Ilan taon na ba si Andrew?
Come on!
2000. 2001. 2002. Oh! Anong gagawin? Wala kang laro? Metal. Metal Horror Escape. Ito.
My work took a little bit more time today, and I had to
Mag-horror
go
game
home at
tayo
night.
dito.
There was a snowstorm. That's why I wanted to come.
Come on! Well,
Ito.
well!
Ha? Nasa game ako, na mag-e-escape ako, tapos doon sa game, mag-e-escape din ako.
Have to leave this.
We're so sloppy!
Control panel. Ano kailangan ko din i-solve to? Eh, no way. Tama na yan. Ito, message. Send fake message.
Ooh, a terrible
This
shift.
homework went to
Just
hell.
terrible.
Ano to? Dear parents, you're kindly invited to attend the parent-teachers meeting. Ah! Browser. Oy, napunta talaga ako sa YouTube nila. Wait lang.
assassin.
Wait lang po,
I will
wait
go
lang.
to the
Natatakot
toilet.
na ako. Oo nga, nakakatakot nga. Nakakatakot nga. Oh, nag-aaral ako. Oh my God, dapat malakas yung pandinig mo dito. Mishi, 6x plus 6a ay 6x minus 67 is equal to 407,100,000. Sana yung patay dito. Keycar? Wala po dito! Statua po! Statua ako! Statua ako?
Come
Sabi ko pa eh.
on! Run 3 laps around the house!
Run 3 laps?
I hate running.
Baka may... Ito, bubuksan ko to. Ma! Ma! Si Papa oh! Ma! Ma! Hindi ako pinapansin ng mama ko. Ma! Ma, si Pa oh. Papa oh.
Last lap!
Paala ka dyan. Wait, may hawak yung dog.
Good job! Now go study quickly!
Paano ako magpro-progress nito kung lagi ako nahuhuli? Okay, tama chat. Oo, tama. So, magda-doorbell ulit tayo. Pagkapunta dun sa pinto, pupunta ako kitchen. Okay. Okay, alam ko na. This is basic. Tapos, pagkapunta dun sa kitchen, dudumihan natin yung bintana para
How could
buksan
you
niya.
not see that?
Wait a minute!
Ay, nauuntog ako sa pinto!
This is the 3rd time already!
Napapaiwas ako dun sa sampal.
Come on, get it together! Time is ticking! Well, there you go again!
Pa ibaliktad to eh. Kulit ka.
Ah,
I'm coming!
oh, terrible.
Putang ina mo ka!
How? How
hope I
much
don't get
longer?
caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Well, what happened here? Who broke the glass? Yana! Come here! Our son has disappeared!
Wala po ako dito, wala po. Wala po, wala po. Wala po ako dito. Okay. Ito lang po ako ay isa kong estatwa. Mabait na bata, mabait na bata. Ang tagal mawala ng background music. Sige na po. Mawala ka na. Please lang! Ito mukbang. Tapo French fries, McDo. Ano, habang buhay na ako dito? Ano, habang buhay na ako?
Come here!
Ay, hindi siya bug, hindi siya bug eh. Hindi nga bug eh. Hindi bug. Ay!
Gotcha! So, come on, faster! If you don't understand the bad way.
Kendrick, asa na si Kendrick? Kendrick, mag-devour na tayo. Hindi ko na kinakaya tong laro na to. Susumpa ako tong laro na to. Ay, kuya ka naman. Susumpa ako tong laro na to. Nabubulantang ako sa nakikita ko.
So you'll think the next time.
Nagugulat ako sa nakikita ko.
Good job! Now go study quickly!
Papaliw na ako dito. Sa French fries.
Come on! Where are you going? Ah! Why? A terrible shift. Just terrible.
Damn!
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to hide somewhere quickly.
Stop. Something's not right
Hindi ko nabalik ang
here.
flower.
Where did the flowers from the
Pati yun nalalaman nila!
You think your father is stupid? Galia! Come here, help me! Our son is hiding somewhere!
Rascal!
Hey!
Come out!
Eh!
Just let me know where you are.
Knock, knock, knock! Who's there in the cabinet?
Come on! Come on! Keep your head up!
Woohoo!
We're messing around with the pack! Who needs me there?
Saan ko gagamitin to? Ito susi dito.
Wait a minute!
Ano, ito na progress. Malalang progress to.
I need to create a smoke screen.
Terrible!
That little bugger! Hey!
Strike the bug! Strike the bug!
Let's do it the nice
Oh
way.
my God! Visit kayong mag-asawa kayo, ponyeta kayo parehas. Ano to, anti-fat? Gagamitin to. Saan ko gagamitin to? Ano, nababaliw.
Oh damn! So much smoke!
Hey, baby. Baby. Yan, dun ka na.
Oops! Someone wrote. I should check. Stop right there! Ah, you rascal! Who needs me there?
Ang gamit dito?
Stop. Those sandwiches were for Dad! Now you're gonna get it.
Huh?
Stop!
Come here! Wasn't I told you?
Kailangan talaga ng earphones dito ng sobra kasi kung wala kang earphones, mayayari ka eh.
Damn it! Are you blind or what?
Keep studying, I'm just checking.
Oh my God. Walang gamit? Paano to? Ang dilim dito. Wala pa din yung ano. Wala pa din yung bulb. Hindi na ako nag-e-enjoy. Hindi ako nag-e-enjoy crate. Bisit na laro to. Nung intro ko kanina eh.
Buses like that
Ah,
anyway.
saya-saya ko pa. Ngayon ko lang nakuha to. Yung inspect spray. Para saan? Ba't may toothbrush dito? Ay, bulb to!
Something's not right here.
Akala ko toothbrush. Ano, something not right?
Who turned off air conditioner?
Napatay ko yung aircon?
You are going to get it now. Galia, our son is trying to escape again.
What a little cockroach!
Satan in the closet! Ha!
Frozen with charger. So magcha-charge
Oh, you
na ako
are
ng
going
charger.
to get it.
Hey now! Come out! We'll have some tea with Candice!
Ay, ipis.
I'll go check the phone. How could you
Uy,
not
uy, uy,
see
uy,
that?
uy, 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 uy. Uy, 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 tutunog to.
Come here! Take the broom in your teeth and off you go! I don't want to see a single snowflake left!
Ang sakit nung sampal. Ramdam ko.
I would show them how it's done.
Saan ko gagamitin yung battery? Saan yung battery, chat? Ito, yung planks andun sa pataas. Eh, yung ano, yung battery, saan gagamitin to? Pwede ba ako dumaan dito? Eh,
How could you not see that?
video? Hindi ko pa pala na, ano yung ano?
I'm coming!
Hindi ko pa tawag doon, hindi ko pa napapamoist yung kusina. Pero luto na kaya yung ano.
Oh, and there is another mess.
I need to create a smoke screen. Oops.
Tapos lalabas ako.
Oh, terrible.
Who turned my exhaust hood off? Yana! Come here! Our son has disappeared!
Our son disappeared. Bebe. Our son disappeared.
Hey now! Come out! We'll have some
Satan in the
tea
closet.
with
Who
Candice!
needs me there?
Ay, don't tell me, nagbag na naman sila.
How many times do I have to repeat?
Altep por putang ina mo.
Alam ko may mga taong nakakaintindi na kaya ko to kahit mag-isa lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako, ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko, walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako, kahit malungkot ang dara.